In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add an anchor on your Wix website. Okay, so once you're in your Wix website editor, you want to click on the plus icon at the top, which is the add button. Click on that, and now you can search for the anchor over here, but that's kind of like the hard way to do it. I just go to the search bar at the top right there, and then I type anchor. You can see it says add to site, anchors, anchor menus, arrows. So I'll just click on anchors, and you can choose these various anchors that you can add to your site. I'll add this one for this example, and you can give it a name. So I'll call it DU1, and then I'll close out of here, and here it is right here on the right hand side. You can now move it to whatever part of the website you want to move it to. So if I scroll down and I want people to come to this section, I can leave it there, and then you can leave it there. And then if you want to add another one, you click on add. You can click on it one more time, call this DU2, exit out of there, and then I can move this one, let's just say to, now it's kind of difficult to scroll them down because it doesn't auto scroll when you go down, but you could move it to like this section here or something, and that would be it. And you can add as many of these as you want, and that's how you do it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.